So we're here again, and I want to send light to that door jamb. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna come off the door switch that controls that light. Cuts it off when it's in, comes out when it's on. Gonna see what I can do with that. And run the wires from there down under the sill plate. Take this trim off and somehow get in here. And we'll get back to you. So I removed some of the paneling here. And I know it's hard for everybody to see here, but if I push the switch, you can see those wires moving. So I definitely know this wire here and the one next to it with the tape on it is the ones I need to tap. I'm gonna use these little wire taps. They squeeze over the wire like that, and then a plug can go in there and have another wire coming out, and then you can just pull it out really quickly, and you just, no soldering required, real quick and easy. And then we're gonna run some wire back. All right, so here we are once again. I ran some wires back, and I want them to work just like the dome light up there. So once you close the door or push this, it turns off the light. And when you open the door, the light comes back on again. My ground wire, it's hard for you to see this here, but I'm gonna try and show you anyway. Ground wire I ran from the ground on the door switch. And the other wire I tapped straight from the junction box. Right there, that orange wire goes right to the junction box to the left of the fuse panel. And that is a constant hot for the courtesy lights. So I will be taking from that wire to do the passenger side as well. And now my next step is to get these wires run all the way up into here. And then I can put the door jamb in with the light strips and have lighted door jambs. And here we are with the more updated design. Made the edges flat or thinner, and made a space and a port for the wire to go through, and a back that's gonna click right on there. And then we're gonna have lighted door jambs by the end of this video. Guarantee it. So we're here in the shop now, doing some soldering. Gotta get these LED strips together, just like this set right here. We're gonna do 6 LEDs on either side of the door jamb vent, and to really lighten it up real good. So I'll get back to you in 1 second once we get this all wired up and put together. All right, here we go, guys. All wired up, all the interiors back in, and this is the final result. I think that came out awesome. Shines really bright. Turns off when you close the door. Turns on when you open the door. Now to do the passenger side.